How to create a new account in Mobile Legends. If you want to start fresh or make a second account in Mobile Legends, here's exactly how to create a new account without losing your old one. Step 1. First, open Mobile Legends and go to your profile in the top left corner. Tap Account, then Account Center, and make sure your current account is bound to Google, Facebook, Apple ID, or Moonton. Step 2. After binding, go back to Account Settings, tap Switch Account, and choose Log Out. Confirm the prompt to return to the login screen. Step 3. On the login screen, tap Moonton Account and select Register instead of logging in. Now enter a new email address, create a password, and complete the verification. Step 4. Once registered, Mobile Legends will take you to the tutorial screen for your new account. Pick a name, hero, and start playing from scratch. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.